Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about binary countdown protocol. This binary countdown protocol is a collision free protocol that operates in the medium access control layer of the OSI model. So in OSI model, as we know, we have 7 layers are there. So in that 7 layer, the medium access control layer is the sublayer of the data link layer. In that data link layer, these sublayer protocols are used for collision free, means to eliminate the collisions, because when multiple stations want to transmit a packet simultaneously by using the shared channel, then the transmitted data is corrupted due to the collisions. So to eliminate that collisions, we are using various protocols. Here we are using the collision free protocol, which resolves the channel access while the stations are contending for the shared channel, thus eliminating any possibilities of the collisions. So what is the main purpose of this collision free protocol? The previous protocols like persistent and non-persistent protocols are also there, but those protocols are used to reduce the collisions. By reducing it will increase the efficiency of the protocol. But here there may be some possible cases are there for occurrence of the collisions in the contention window also. So to eliminate those type of collisions in the contending window, so this binary countdown protocol is used. The algorithm for binary countdown protocol is as follows. So before this, another collision free protocol is also there, that is called as binary bit map protocol. So there is a problem with basic bitmap protocol, that is overhead. In that bitmap protocol, the overhead is one contention bit slot per station. So that is the main drawback with bitmap protocol. So we can do better than that by using this binary station addresses. So here in binary countdown protocol, we are using the binary station addresses. So step 1, each station has a binary address. All addresses are considered at the same length. That means we will mention the binary address of each and every station, and the length of that addresses are same. To transmit, a station broadcasts its addresses as a binary bit string starting with high order bit. So in case of bitmap method, if a station wants to transmit a packet, simply it will map the bit with one value. That means it is broadcasting a message of 1 to all the other stations, so that the stations will understand what are all the stations want to transmit the packet. Then the remaining stations will be in the waiting state. But here, to transmit a data packet, the station broadcasts its address as a binary bit string. So how it will broadcast a message? A station sees that a high order bit position, that is 0 in its address, has been overwritten with a 1. It gives up. That means all the stations will transmit or broadcast its higher order bit string, that is starting with from MSB bit. So once all the stations will transmit the MSB bit, so all the stations observes wherever the bit value is 1, then they will continue. Where the bit value is 0, so those stations will give up for some time, means in the waiting state. Later, after completion of the other stations data, they will start again from the first step onwards. After the winning station has transmitted its frame, there is no information available telling how many other stations to send. So the algorithm begins all over with the next frame. That means once the winning station's data transmission is successful, then the other stations will start transmitting the data from the step 1 onwards. So we'll consider one example. If for example 5 stations are there, so the stations are here binary addresses of the stations. First one is 1011, that is the binary representation for 11. Next 2, next 7, Next one is 8 plus 4 plus 2 means 14. Next one is 13. So if you have n number of stations are there, in that these 5 stations, station 11, 2, 7, 14 and 13, these 5 stations now in the contention window, that means ready to transmit a packet. Now we need to write down the binary address of these 5 stations like this. For 11, 1011, for 2, 0010, for 7, 0111, and for 14, 1110, and for 13, 1101. So if you observe here, all the bit addresses length is same. That means we will consider the 4 bits of data for representing the binary address of all these 5 stations. So we will solve this problem by using binary countdown protocol. So first step, all stations broadcast their most significant bit. So here we have 5 stations are there. So 5 stations want to transmit the data. So 5 stations are kept in the slots of the contention window now. Now we need to find out to which station we will give the preference. So how we will give the preference? So based on the MSB bit or the remaining bits of the higher order bits of the particular stations, we will find one winning station. So how we will find the winning station? Mean in the first step, all the stations broadcast their most significant bit. So here we will consider the most significant bits, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So like this. So by seeing this MSB bits of each stations, so stations 0010 and 0111 sees 1 bit in other stations. So 1 bit in the other stations, and so they give up competing for the channel. So when they see the 1 bit in the other station, simply these 2 stations will give up for some time. So now in the race we have 3 stations are there, that is 1011, 1110 and 1101. So now in the next step, the stations 1011, 1110 and 1101 is continue. They broadcast now these 3 stations broadcast their next bit value. So already MSB bit is over. So from that MSB bit we will choose the next 3 bits, 3 stations. So from these stations now they will broadcast the next bit value. So the next bits are 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1. So now by seeing this 1011 sees 1 bit in the other station. So here 1011 will gives up competing for the channel. So now we have the remaining 2 stations called 1110 and 1101. So now in the race these 2 stations are there. So what they will do? Now those 2 stations will broadcast their next bit value, that means third bit. So what are the third bits in these 2? 1 and 0. So they broadcast their next bit, that is 10. Now since station 1110 has 1 while the other station 1101 is 0. Now station 1110 gets the access to the channel and 1101 is give up for some time. Now here the winning station is 1110. So it will access the contention window, that means it will access the channel to transmit the packet. So once the data is successfully transmitted, then again the procedure starts from the first onwards for the remaining 4 stations. So in this way we will give preference to the particular station which are in the contention window. So we'll see a simple procedure how the stations will take the access the channel. So here is the same example. 5 different station addresses are there. So 5 different stations are written in the binary addresses. So first time we will take the first bits in these values. So first bit in the particular address, binary address of that particular station is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So when 0, 0 is there, then simply those two stations will gives up after the first bit time 0, because those two are 0. Now in the race remaining 3 are there. So what they will do? So these two are eliminated and the remaining 3 will broadcast their next bit value. So how they will broadcast the next bit value? So the next bits in this is 0, 1 and 1. So in this case, if you observe here, the second bit is 0. So these two cases, the second bit value is 1. Now when it see the 1 value in the other stations, so simply it will give up after bit time 1. So now in the race these two stations are there. So now these two stations again start transmitting the broadcast the message with next bit, that means third bit value. So when those three submit the third bit value, here is the value 0, so it will give up after the bit time 2. So the now the winning team, so winning station is this one. So this will access the station now. So gets channel access after bit time 2. So in this way we will avoid the collisions. So how we will avoid the collisions? So by selecting, by giving the preferences to all the stations, we will choose only one winning station to access the channel. So if one channel is accessing the one station is accessing the channel, then the collisions will eliminated completely. We are avoiding the collisions. So this is about the binary countdown protocol. Thank you.